So this is what your 40 million pesos can buy you here at Park McKinley West.
So this is Park McKinley West, a brand new property here in McKinley area. This property is walking distance from BGC and it has bi-level mall underneath. So everything is within your reach na. And this is a 2-bedroom unit, has a floor area of 110 square meter. It has an additional room for maids na pwedeng makonvert sa office or utility area. The number one thing why I love this unit is dahil nga sa kanyang unobstructed view na facing east morning sun, showcasing the view of American Battle, Antipolo Mountains, and some part of Laguna area. This unit is semi-furnished with smart home features. Meron na itong complete set kitchen, complete set toilet and bath, 3 sets of aircon, and napaka-spacious na living area. The mode of payment is you need at least 5% down payment, also available in cash with 20% discount subject for approval. This unit is perfect for collector, expats, OFW, property finder, and syempre mga investors. To schedule a private tour, please message me directly. Again, I'm Mark, the trusted realtor. See you on the next one. Salamat!